guys, is your YouTube channel growing and now your inbox is being flooded with email notifications of getting a new subscriber or getting a new comment on your video? If that is the case, congratulations to you. And also, I will teach you in this video how to change those settings. Hey there, Alexis Aranoia here. Welcome to my channel where I help Gen Xers and beyond grow on YouTube. Okay, so this is quick and easy. You log into YouTube, go into your profile icon drop-down menu, select settings from in there, then go to the left-hand side of the page and select notifications, and then this is where you can edit everything. So black means it's turned off and blue means it's turned on. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says email, you can just simply turn that off and it will turn off all of the notifications that you will receive. So that's one quick and easy way to do it. However, if you want certain things to come through in your email box, if you want to be notified about certain things, then you would need to leave this on, make this blue, and then go up above and start to click on and off the certain elements that you want to have sent to your email inbox. Now, if you do turn off the email notifications entirely, then you don't have to edit anything above. You don't have to bother picking and choosing in the above categories because it's just turning off everything and you won't receive anything. But you will receive any important information or updates from YouTube that or announcements or something regarding your account will still be sent to your email. So you don't need to worry about missing out on anything like getting monetized or something like that. So those will still be sent to you. Please subscribe if this was helpful and you want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.